Hi guys, great day, and in this video guys ay ang topic natin ay castor oil. Okay, so what is castor oil guys? Okay, so accordingly, castor oil made from Ricinus communis plant seeds, okay, has been used for thousands of years. Okay, a heating process deactivates its toxic enzyme rich, making it safe to use. Okay, in Shopee, in order to mister ko sa Shopee. So saan ko ginagamit ito guys? So I just use this for making my face oily kasi minsan na mapapind out ko na yung skin ko parang dry na siya. So in order for me to make my face moisturize, okay, so last time I used to make a research and accordingly it can be an alternate for using serum. Okay, so serum is very nice also in making our face younger looking, okay, but castor oil guys is powerful laxative, pwede din siya ini-intake and approved by Food and Drug Administration. It works quickly by stimulating mucus. Okay, pag hindi nakakapoop, pwede din siya. Okay, it can be also, yes, treating constipation, okay, kung may mga ano kayo. Pero you have to consult your doctor first, ha. Ito nga yung sinasabi ko na it's a natural moisturizer. Okay? Kasi according to castor oil research is ricinoleic acid, a monosaturated fatty acid known for its moisturizing properties. Okay? It can be used alone with other oils as natural alternative to store-bought moisturizer. Okay, so meron mga facial treatment na ginagawa na may ingredient ng castor oil. But pwede you can also use this. Just put in your palm and then bago ka maligo sa umaga. Okay, if you want to moisturize your face, you want to make your face oily, di ba? So lagyan niyo siya ng neto. Itong ginagamit ko minsan. Ginano ko bago ako maligo. For at least 5 to 10 minutes nakalagay lang yung oil sa mukha, okay? And then, unlike commercial plant, it contains no harmful additives and suitable for the face and body, o diba? However, it may also cause allergic reaction. In some individuals, always dilute it with carrier oil like coconut oil before using it. Okay, sa akin naman wala namang allergic reaction when the last time I used ito, diba? It also promote wound healing. Castor oil accordingly can help promote wound healing and can be creating a moist environment and prevent drying out, okay? For example, an ointment daw used in clinical combines castor oil. Yes, there are ingredients. Okay, there are kumbaga ointment na may halo nito, okay? Additionally, ricinoleic acid, the main fatty acid found in castor oil, may help reduce skin inflammation accordingly, support healing and aid in pain reduction in people with wounds. Okay? It may also be helpful for cleaning and storing dentures. And also, castor oil can help support hair and scalp health, okay? Nakakapagpaganda daw guys ng scalp at ayun, tama kung may mga ano kayo sa ulo, lagyan natin ito guys. Ayan, very healthy talaga siya guys. Ang precaution lang dito guys, just to address various concerns, but you have to consult your doctor first, okay? Pero sa akin naman, na wala naman ako medical condition na to be attended, wala namang problema. Okay, so it's really perfect for skin ko to moisturize, okay? So before I go to take a bath, I use castor oil. Okay, so I'm gonna drop the link at the comment section if you would love to buy the castor oil, okay? Very helpful, very nice oil ito guys. Try natin. Try it, okay? Bye! Yan o. Ito, idadrop ko yung link nito guys ha. I-order ko to kay Mr. ko eh.